Hi, this is Killer Junior 777, and before going with the video, I wanted to talk about my channel. And the last video that I made was literally 2 years ago, which was mostly about Mario Kart's Double Chaos. The reason why there hasn't been more, it's because I've kind of stopped playing the game. I've had too much time wasted on it, and my lack of fun about the game has reduced by too much. So now, that is the reason why that nothing came since then. Time has changed for me, and now I'm on other fun project that I'm working on, which is the video about. What is RCBot2? So RCBot2 is a software for bots. Bots for specific games, which are Team Fortress 2, Day of Defeat Source, and Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. RCBot2 was made by Cheese and other also community member and modders who also help with the program. What does the RCBot do compared to normal bots? Well, in Team Fortress 2, they can play some maps that are not supported by the TF bot, such as Special Delivery, Man vs Machine, Payload Race, and Arena. RCBot2 are required by humans to make their navigations. Since waypoints are made by humans, bots can also select where to place a sentry, sniper, and other objectives for the RCBots can use. Scout can double jump. Soldiers and demomen can rocket and sticky jumps. Engineer can move their building to attack or back to defense. On Day of Defeat Source and Half-Life 2 Deathmatch, the game themselves doesn't have any bots. So with this program, you can also make them fully playable, playing against them. Where can you get the RCBot2? You can only get them by the GitHub page made by APG Robocop clans. The download will be in the description, and how to install will all be written inside the GitHub page as well. I also made a website on a Zoho List, which is like an Excel file, about every single maps from every game that can be playable with RCBots2. Since they are all made by players, we can see some example. We see the map icon of which area it is, with the map name, waypointed by that person, modified by this person. The status is how well they play on the map, and some little notes that can be mindful if you play and expect to happen. The list is also made for every single games, as you can see down there, which is written TF2 official maps only, TF2 custom maps only, Half-Life 2 Deathmatch official maps only, Half-Life 2 Deathmatch custom maps only, Day of Defeat Source official map, Day of Defeat Source custom maps. So if you are interested to look what has been made, this is the website for it, which also will be linked in the description. Of course, we have to thank to everyone who worked hard to make this software, and everyone who also created the waypoints for the RCBots2 to make them playable. We have a huge list of credit names, so I'll just show it on the screen right now. So for the next part of the video will be about all of the useful codes for the waypoints. See ya then.